Welcome to dontgetrekt. I'm a crypto enthusiast since 2013 and web developer behind buybitcoinsmart.com. Today I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin in Yemen. Let's get started. So step 1, you need to choose the exchange. To begin, go to buybitcoinsmart.com and type in Yemen or click the link below and you'll see a list of all the best exchanges to buy Bitcoin in Yemen. Choose an exchange to suit your needs. Step 2. Register and KYC. This step usually involves providing your personal information and verifying your identity. And step 3. Deposit fiat and buy Bitcoin. The process for this step may vary depending on the exchange you've chosen, so be sure to follow their instructions. And thanks for watching. Make sure to click the link below to check out the updated list of all the best exchanges in Yemen. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll never miss a new video and can continue to learn more about crypto. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest trends in crypto, earn free crypto, airdrops, DeFi, NFTs and more, be sure to join the dontgetrekt Academy. Link below. And that's it for today. Hope this video has been helpful in showing you how to buy Bitcoin in Yemen. I'll see you in the next video.